Alright, how does these stupid thing work? So what you got a flapping door, which is annoying on itself, and then you have this lever. You can see that you got this lever has to go in, and then on the other side is a lever. So once both those levers go in, then you can open the door. That's got to be the dumbest crap ever. And how do you fix this when the spring goes bad? And then once that's open, then you have to go to this nozzle, which nobody even knows how to work. Is that even open? It's not pouring. Yeah. Stupid. Stupid, stupid. Spill-proof can. There you go. They work. Morons.